Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your ultimate destination for the latest updates in mobile technology. Today, we are diving deep into the Nothing Phone 3A, the latest addition to Nothing's unique and innovative smartphone lineup. Known for its transparent design, glyph interface, and clean software experience, the Nothing Phone 3A aims to bring premium features at an affordable price point. With a vibrant 6.8-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, a powerful triple-camera setup, and a long-lasting battery, this device promises to deliver a flagship-like experience without the premium price tag. So, is the Nothing Phone 3A worth the hype? Let's break down everything you need to know. One of the standout features of the Nothing Phone 3A is its stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, offering deep blacks, rich colors, and excellent contrast levels. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, users can expect buttery smooth scrolling, ultra-responsive touch feedback, and an enhanced gaming experience. Whether you're browsing social media, watching videos, or playing high-end mobile games, this display ensures everything looks fluid and immersive. On the design front, Nothing continues to embrace its signature transparent aesthetic, making the Phone 3A one of the most visually distinctive smartphones on the market. The glyph interface on the back adds a futuristic touch, with customizable LED lights that sync with notifications, calls, and even music playback. The Nothing OS 3.1 interface also brings deeper customization options for these lights, allowing users to personalize their experience like never before. Despite being a more affordable variant, the Nothing Phone 3A still features premium build materials, with a metal frame and a Gorilla Glass protected back panel. The device also comes with an IP54 rating, making it resistant to dust and minor splashes. At the heart of the Nothing Phone 3A is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, a powerful mid-range processor that delivers fast and efficient performance. Built on a 4nm process, this chipset ensures better energy efficiency, improved AI capabilities, and a smooth overall experience. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming high-resolution content, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 is designed to handle everything with ease. On the software side, the Phone 3A runs Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15. Known for its bloat-free, near-stock Android experience, Nothing OS keeps things clean, fast, and highly customizable. Users can enjoy faster app launches, intuitive gestures, and enhanced privacy features. Nothing has also promised long-term software updates, ensuring that your device remains secure and up-to-date for years to come. The Nothing Phone 3A comes equipped with a powerful triple-camera setup, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The setup includes 50MP main sensor delivers sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors, and an improved night mode for low-light photography. 50MP telephoto lens, 2x optical zoom, perfect for portrait shots and zoomed-in photography without sacrificing quality. 50MP ultra-wide lens captures more in every frame, ideal for landscapes, architecture, and group shots. On the front, the device features a high-resolution selfie camera, ensuring crisp and clear video calls and social media-ready selfies. Nothing's advanced AI processing further enhances images by improving HDR, color accuracy, and background blur in portrait mode. A flagship experience isn't complete without a solid battery, and the Nothing Phone 3A doesn't disappoint. The device houses a massive 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage even with heavy multitasking, gaming, or video streaming. Charging is also fast and efficient, thanks to 45W wired charging support. While it may not be the fastest in the industry, it ensures that you can get from 0 to 50% in just under 30 minutes. Battery optimization in Nothing OS 3.1 further enhances efficiency, allowing the device to adapt power usage based on your habits. The Nothing Phone 3A supports 5G connectivity, ensuring faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and seamless online gaming. Additionally, the phone features eSIM support, allowing users to switch between carriers without the need for a physical SIM card. Other notable features include under-display fingerprint sensor provides fast and secure unlocking. NFC support enables contactless payments and quick data sharing. Improved AI functionalities helps with voice recognition, camera processing, and system optimization. A new side button expected to offer enhanced usability and quick access to certain functions. The Nothing Phone 3A is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2025, offering a premium design, solid performance, a versatile camera system, and a clean software experience. With Nothing OS 3.1, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, a beautiful 120Hz AMOLED display, and the iconic glyph interface, this phone provides a near-flagship experience without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed smartphone that stands out from the crowd, the Nothing Phone 3A might just be the perfect choice for you. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3A? Are you excited about its features? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech updates. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.